Fillout Scheduling is a free add-on to Fillout Forms. It lets you sync your Google Calendar so you can create events whether on Zoom, Google Meets, in person, or by phone call. And you've got unlimited seats, which means you can bring your whole team in. Fillout Scheduling allows people to book a slot on your calendar while ensuring they pick a time that you are available. Respondents can choose a date, select a slot, and see your availability in their local time. Fillout will then ask for their details, and once scheduled, will send an invitation from Google Calendar. You, as the event organizer, will also receive an email from Fillout, and an event will be automatically added to your Google Calendar. You can access Fillout Scheduling from a dedicated scheduling form or inside a standard Fillout form. If this is your first time creating a Fillout Scheduling form, you'll need to connect your Google Calendar. Your calendar will then be used to avoid being double booked and automatically add new meetings to. If you use Zoom or Google Meets, you'll also need to connect these when prompted. It is from the scheduling dashboard that you manage your scheduling forms, your connected calendars, and your account availability. When you're ready to create a scheduler, Fillout will automatically generate a default scheduling form with your configured availability. If you or the person you're meeting need to change the appointment, you can do so from the Google invitation. Each meeting invitation in Google Calendar will include the names of the meeting participants, along with a link to join a Zoom or Google Meet if you've selected, and the event details will also include a Fillout link to cancel or reschedule that meeting, keeping everyone in the loop. I need a scheduling form in order to book new clients for my consulting business. So let's run through this. From the scheduling tab, create a new scheduling form and select the meeting type, updating the meeting title, the event duration, and I'm connecting my Zoom account. Then we are ready to customize this. Our scheduling form is broken into the schedule page and the confirmation page. You can add another page by selecting the option at the bottom left. Now I need to include a payment page in order to collect my consulting fee. Updating the price there. You can also add a form page to ask further questions and get relevant information for the meeting. And then you can use Fillout Logic in order to build a more complex booking form. You can connect your scheduler and your collected data with your other favorite apps through the integrations tab, keeping everything connected. Now, make sure that your availability is correctly set here in the left panel, and make use of the feature to limit future bookings and set minimum hours of notice to give yourself enough time to breathe. Not every booking will be the same. There will be some instances where you meet with people for 30 minutes or an hour, and sometimes even whole day workshops. You need to be able to personalize the event. This is where Fillout's answer piping comes in. You can use your form data to change the event details from the left settings panel and even personalize the schedule button. But more importantly, make event length dynamic. Now, while you could create a question allowing the respondent to select the event duration, instead use Fillout Logic to work as your assistant. Use the Fillout calculation feature to calculate event duration from your respondent's answers, or create a UL parameter for event duration or length. Then, when you share the form with the client, simply change the X values to number of minutes. You can customize this even further in order to match your brand or business. Select theme in the top left corner and play around with how your scheduler looks. You can add your logo, update colors and fonts, and once you are ready, publish. You can then customize the unique link shared with your respondents, or even add a custom domain. And there you have it. For more tips and tricks on everything Fillout, make sure you check out Fillout's helpful docs and resources.